Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right, Young Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. We are coming, yo, 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 yo. We are coming, yeah, 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 yeah. We are coming, yo, 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 yo. We are coming, yeah, 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 yeah.
Prevail. We are in a nation of laws, and rule of law shall prevail every time. Then the DSC, HSA, Siena Yakambumwa, Sebi Ubia Demrashan, and Sebia, so you post you, so you president, so you minister, so you day, your man for no pay.
Ibe tu NDC for sunyum revolution as a long way to scam to the ting to the revolution with the ding revolution scam. It was young for good news. Good news in say Endra na ya worried kakra. Yesterday we were quite worried, a little bit worried. And the reason we're worried is say na I say Jomama government ni a police for no mo ya omusa anyagu ye beans man asa bibisa. Na mo ya she anwa anya gu ye beans mu. Omuya she anya eguye beans mu. I think that's how they say it. And then Okatakyi demonstration I himself from 28, 29, 30th, 3 days solid. On 28, 2 p.m. We are YAWA Obra Sport marching. First you call police headquarters. You call beside IGP. Say IGP, you no one say now I'm being IGP. You see police for omo fight galamsey. Eba ne say na IGP o police for the omo temi fight galamsey no. Because you can say internal peace and order no it falls within the work of the police internally. Say law and order internally a police for juma. Say territorial integrity a military for juma. Enti galamsey there ade here internal bisade anka there was no need for soldiers come. Anka police for nkwande anka they could have done this work. But no say na ye Ghana police for there omuntimi nye. So ye ko bisa IGP yohunu ewo police headquarters ye free wa straight to Jolobi house. Ye ko bisa Malam Yohani say, Malam Yohani ye, one auka say uba abaimwa within 100 days, state of emergency, obianja mining. Obia, wa we illegal, obianja mining.
It's all kind of constitution, the preamble. Was we the people of Ghana in the exercise of our natural and inalienable right, we give to ourselves and posterity. Etinye yankwa, yanin chirima kurano. Yedi amemwo tumi ehye omonsa enti tumi na yeye dia enye omodia eno na yeye gina na so se police koji injunction okoji ko semonso oji die yo se no ma dwene so mudi bebrenu aye dia ya lawyer for no omo ya lawyer for omo nimde na be so do mo sia tu omo court ni ade abayi a ene ye camera o meka bi ene ye de so meka bi ba na Ghana for we ni a symbol a kire se said ye na nanu mo ye na no ni kobna boni the third me adi nya fa ahudie omudi akukuduro nyansa nimde ekonye ejefa ahudie ma ye kwame nkrumah mbeka ho akojesa akokosa mo sana se mimi no mi enu aduru me ne oso dia esu ye bi eto aso na no ani asase no ene police na me kwan se yenkoye demonstration in fact omuni tumi gura so mgasi omusi ye kwan court pe na wo se tumi ye ba ye so asem ne court no afa sekan watetim watwam wato atwene ba bi. Or say assembly has been struck out in the police for Iwomokasa. Now, ye can't be as a Juada 2 p.m. And MPP some, and NDC some, the MPP Nima, but the record shows that time of my buying a was so. When you know, Mudi dance here. me ne kwame apia ku bia ogina me nche menua ye fa tuo ato ye kon ekota no numere tano anua ekoko chesi ye che China for the buy. It tells you how patriotic we are when it comes to the fight against Galamsey. It's ye na kufa do penso na ye dia ye no jomama penso and ni bibia sesan and ye ra jomama ne tan wo and ye ndisi ne tan wo. We are fighting for a greater cause for the next generation. It's a job at 2 p.m. sharp. We'll be funny in the boot, lazy. Now, my man in lazy t-shirt and should be available and for the barber GBA. Now, when you know, Mummy and Nancy, Yananti, when you're a young tour jamboree. When you're Kakabia, a reward solemn moment. The candles, Beba, Wawan for Kandu Kura. Before that, he made police headquarters. Niabusa IGP said, "One of the chief enforcement agent of the nation."
No bani Galamsey. Esan say MPP for no muye Galamsey no. Sana malam yohane kai. Sana ukai. Eti kobisa malam yohane say malam yohane ye more than 100 days in power. Eba no sena ene a minu kese Galamsey no as a pro mass version naba. Pro mass version no. Say Galamsey ni na enim say Galamsey. They say there enu there ya nkola grogro. They say the pro mass version Galamsey kingpins na kasa. I said the devil of Galamsey. They say we unity. We unity. Now we unity nso a or cause devastation on a scale that we have not seen before. We have not witnessed before as a nation. People are dying. People are dying. Because some of the regions that doctors are recommending abortion. And some say there is malformation. Go for wombs. Babies that are not yet born, deformed. So when doctors see it on the scan, they say, "Madam, quickly go and abort." And yes, sir, you give birth to something you don't like. All because of cyanide, mercury, and co that are being used by these illegal miners. Now, some of these illegal miners, some of them are Chinese, Burkinabes, Malian, Ivorians, Togolese. And some of them are no mujis kanu kule, no macrossy border, no money on Mubusu and Foko Chile. Now, yeah, Ghana phone, na ye bre. At the demonstration, and now police for quickly they ran to court, say, Omukoji injunction against the demonstration. And I said, there be. That lawyers are kukudam for better lawyers. And yes, I'm a type. There be lawyers are mutu call court or winning case. Lawyers are mutimu do. Are mutu make case. Ewo court judge nakasa on home mukwana na bibi yeno. You see, you call court, you call challenge. Afraid ye, but I may walk or do court home. I to say, Attorney General say, yes, and no, or say, or money case. The police has absolutely no right to stop a demonstration because demonstration is one of the tools available in any democratic dispensation. Democratic dispensation, demonstration is allowed unless you are a tyrant. We are a tyrant in poor. One day council people becomes fed up. Oh, they are going and read about Syria. Assad. What happened to him? Why he ran away? Even tyrant cry. Sometimes the people become fed up. Eti wa uye malam yohane uye pharaoh uye den demonstration ebebaso. Na nyami chadie on 28 2 p.m. Accra nyina yeko ya YAWA voter region YAWA central YAWA western north greater Accra na host here Ashanti eastern Ahafo Bono east ne Bono northern Savannah northeast upper east upper west bebia obia oti bebia nyina yeko Accra yeko demonstrate because this is not about NDC MPP. Debbie, we ye about yen ye future. And it very, very important. I say na yen coming together to pursue this agenda. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.